we are here shooting the cover for the birthday issue. We're so excited. Yay. And everything is going really well so far. So yeah, look at just a sneak peek how cute everyone looks. Absolutely adorable. The photos are already amazing. We're so excited. Yay! Rosa, say hi.
Hi.
We finished the Selfie Factory. There's the O2 behind me somewhere. And we're waiting to go to Beckenham, which none of us know where it is, but it's okay. We're headed there, we're going to the bakery, we're going to do the rest of our pictures, and we're actually going to meet the 2019 winner of The Apprentice. You might have heard of it. I think it's on the BBC. You might have heard of it. We're going to meet the winner of The Apprentice, and yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to see a bakery, we're going to get some snacks, we're going to get some milkshakes, I hope, maybe some donuts. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. We're all freezing cold, waiting for our Uber, but it will be here soon and we'll be on our merry way. It's going well, it's going good. I've had a quick look at the pictures so far. The pictures are beautiful, everyone looks beautiful. And yeah, I'll show you quickly what the state is of everyone. There's Poppy and Misti. Rosa's on the floor with Lily. It's all good, it's going well, it's okay. So we've just got to Dough Bakehouse. We've got amazing donuts being selected. Everyone's here. Say hi, everyone. Hi. We're so happy to be here. So excited to get more pictures. Donuts look delicious, so I'm excited for that as well. So more to come. So our photo shoot is well underway. Everyone is happy. We've all got milkshakes, donuts, the lot. It's amazing. Everything matches our outfits, and it's all going swell. Yellow gang. Yeah, yellow gang, pink gang, purples, blues. It's all here. Say hi, guys. Hi. They're so cute. Wrapped up our shoot. It's gone amazingly. Everyone looks incredible. The food looked incredible, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, so good.
The milkshake. I can't even tell you about the milkshake. I had the Biscoff one and all that. That's the thing people do, isn't it? Chef's kiss. There you go. And yeah, it was gorgeous. So we've had such a good day. Can't wait for the magazine to come out, and I hope you've enjoyed watching.